you delectable cooks and chefs out there. It's your girl, Gianna E. Hammond. And today on Delectable Treats, we're remaking our favorite foods that we get from the restaurant. That's right. It's time for Food Remakes. That's right, we are remaking the All-American Burger that you get at Carl's Jr. Why do you think I got this American flag t-shirt on? Silence! I'm glad you love your country, and I love my country, the United States of America. But enough with the chanting. It's time to get cooking. And one more thing before we begin. All the ingredients and the directions will be in the description box below. So, if you can't jot it down as you go, just copy and paste in the description box below. I mean, copy the directions and the ingredients. Copy the directions and the ingredients and paste them in your Word editor, like Microsoft Word or something like that. And don't forget to save it. That way you can have it for as long as you like. Anyway, on with the video. On with the video. Let's go. So first we start with the ground beef. Every good burger starts with ground beef. Well, in this case that is. And now, as you know, ground beef has a bad rap of being bland. So you gotta season this. Gotta season this baby. I will tell you some of the seasonings that I used. Salt, pepper, a little bit of steak seasoning, and some liquid smoke. But that's just me. You can use any seasoning you want. And now it's time to cook this bad boy. And here's how I like to do it. After I season one side of the burger patty, I always cook that side first. You know, the side that I seasoned. And then I season the other side. Pretty smart, huh? Using the same seasonings, of course. Okay, now it's time to give this lovely thing a flip. And oh my goodness gracious, you see that smoke? Oh, I bet you if you were here in the kitchen with me, you would smell this. It smells so freaking awesome. Oh, and don't worry, that's my father's feet over there, so just bear with me. Okay, now it's time to dress it up. And here's how I like to do my all-American burger, though yours may be different. I like to spread on a whole lot of mayo, a whole lot of mayonnaise. Okay? And now for the vegetables. I'm adding some peppers, some orange peppers, and on goes the potato chips, of course. The potato chips. The All American Burger has potato chips. And we have the lettuce. That's right. Let us make it delicious. And there we go. But we're not finished yet. I gotta add the tomato. Hey, you say it differently. You say tomato, I say tomato. Add on some onions, of course. And we're still not finished. We gotta have the burger with the cheese, of course. That's how I like mine. And the finishing touch, you split the hot dog and put it on top. And then, don't forget the mayonnaise. Spread it on nice and thick. You top it off. And voila! Give it a good press. And there you have it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We just remade the All-American Burger like the one you get at Carl's Jr. Well, not exactly. It does have the chips and the lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and burgers, and the split hot dog. But a few condiments, let's just say, I made it my way with what I like. Okay? Hey, it doesn't have to be by the book. Just because it's a remake doesn't mean. Just because it's a remake, that doesn't mean you have to make it exactly the way they made it. Excuse me. You just have to make it how you like it. They may have it at the restaurant, but you can make your own version any way you like it. And now, without further ado, I better shut up and taste it for you and see. Just what a bang-up job I did. Excuse me. Let me try this. See. Mmm. 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 Shut the front door. That is awesome. And that about does it for today's episode of Delectable Treats, Food Remakes. I'm Chioma, or you can call me Chi-Chi. Get yourself in the kitchen and recreate one of your favorite meals like you get at some restaurants, whatever. And if you really like this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Get cooking! And I'll see you next time. Bye!